Future Prediction Challenge with Gematria Decoder. Let's understand how Gematria Decoder works. First, type in a phrase or a word. Let's type in Michael Jackson. Next, we type in things or events that are significant to Michael. Let's try Thriller album. There's a match, which means Thriller album is important to Michael. Now let's try the word monkey. There's a match too. Now let's try another word, painkiller. It has a match too. So you see, if you had a Gematria decoder back in the 80s, you might have been able to predict the future of Michael. Now we have a clear idea of how a Gematria decoder works. Let's use it to predict the outcome of a near future event. Let's predict which movie will win the Oscar Best Picture award. Here's the prediction of Gematria with the help of my intuition. Gematria decoder predicted the movie Poor Things will win the Best Picture award. Now, we just have to wait for it to see if the prediction is right. In Gematria, a word or a phrase can have many matches and connections. Most of them are meaningless, but with strong intuition you might be able to establish their connections and meanings. If you have strong intuition, you might be able to use Gematria decoder to predict the outcome of a future event with pretty high accuracy. Go now to gematria-decoder.com and try it out. And see if you have what it takes to be a psychic.